Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the heart-pounding, rear-wheel drive world of the 2026 Nissan 370Z. The legendary Z car continues its legacy of affordable performance, aggressive styling, and raw driving dynamics. Buckle up as we take a deep look into what makes the 2026 version so special. The Nissan Z nameplate dates back over 50 years, starting with the iconic Datsun 240Z in the 1970s. Fast forward to today, and the Z continues to be a symbol of pure sports car DNA. The 370Z, first introduced in 2009, set the standard for balance, power, and affordability. In 2026, Nissan refines this winning formula without losing its old-school charm. The 2026 Nissan 370Z gets a refreshed yet familiar look. It retains the muscular silhouette of its predecessor but sharpens the lines for a more aggressive appearance. The front fascia is redesigned with a wider grille, LED headlights with a distinct boomerang signature, and a functional hood scoop for improved airflow. Along the sides, you'll notice sculpted body panels, flared fenders, and bold 19-inch alloy wheels. Around back, the 370Z now features LED taillights with a modern twist on the classic Z car styling and a redesigned dual exhaust setup that gives it a more menacing tone. Whether it's in racing red, storm gray, or pearl white, this car demands attention. Interior: step inside the 2026 370Z and you'll find a perfect blend of tradition and technology. The cabin is focused on the driver, leather-trimmed sport seats with improved bolstering, aluminum pedals, and a flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in suede. The analog gauge cluster is still present, but now complemented by a new 9-inch digital infotainment display that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get wireless charging, a Bose premium audio system, dual-zone climate control, and a simplified center console layout. There's no overcomplicated tech here, just the essentials, presented cleanly and built around performance. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast, performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Nissan 370Z carries a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine producing 405 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. That's mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission, with rev matching and a newly enhanced clutch, or a 9-speed automatic with paddle shifters. 0 to 60, just 4.1 seconds in the manual, and a hair quicker with the auto. Its rear-wheel drive has a limited slip differential, and gets sport-tuned suspension, making it a proper canyon carver. Nissan also offers a performance pack with Brembo brakes, adaptive dampers, and stickier tires for serious track day drivers. On the road, the 370Z feels alive. The steering is precise with great feedback, and the chassis balance gives you confidence in every corner. The engine pulls hard across the rev range, and the twin-turbo setup delivers instant torque without lag. The manual transmission is pure joy, and the shifter feels mechanical, tight, and purposeful, exactly what a real sports car should offer. You hear the engine, you feel the vibration, and the exhaust note gives you goosebumps. No filters, no artificial sounds, just raw, analog connection to the road. Despite its performance, the 370Z remains usable for daily driving. It delivers around 22 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway, not bad for a twin-turbo V6. The trunk space is adequate for weekend bags or groceries, and the ride quality, while firm, isn't punishing for daily commutes. Safety and features. Safety-wise, the 2026 370Z adds modern assistance features like forward collision warning, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. However, these aids stay out of your way, keeping the drive experience pure but protected. Nissan offers the 2026 370Z in 3 main trims. Base, starting at $42,000, includes all the essentials. Sport Tech, around $47,000, adds the performance pack, tech upgrades, and premium audio. Nismo Edition, priced near $55,000, this beast features unique bodywork, track-focused tuning, and exclusive interior finishes. For what it offers, the 370Z is still one of the best value-for-money sports cars on the market. To wrap it up, the 2026 Nissan 370Z is a celebration of everything that makes driving fun. It's not trying to be the most luxurious or the most high-tech. Instead, it delivers where it matters: power, control, connection, and style. If you're a driving enthusiast who wants a modern car with an old-school soul, this Z is calling your name. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews just like this one. Until next time, stay fast, stay focused, and keep driving.